sin 2x plus 2 tangent x. Okay, first of all, we should remember this can be simplified. Am I right? Don't go and use products rule. This can be simplified. How to simplify this?
Double sine rule.
Yeah, double angle formula.
Yeah, you get
This
1
will
over
be
2
half sin
4x.
4x double plus 2 tangent x. Okay, after you have written down this, then you can start to differentiate. Yeah, remember you are differentiating. So is you differentiate sin, you get cos. Write down the angle, then differentiate the angle, that is 4. Right? Plus 2. You differentiate tangent, you got secant. And you want to write like that, also can, up to you. Or you want to write the square at the middle, also can. Okay, any issue on that? So you can get 3 marks straight away. You see or not? So we are always play around with that. Yep. So everyone have all the formula with you? Okay, part B. Okay, to get the differentiation of this, what rule must we use? Okay, it seems like it's a co-product rule, correct? But we have to remember one thing. Sec x is equal to 1 over cos x, am I right? Because we don't know how to differentiate sec x. So we definitely have to change it to like that. So in this case, we are going to use quotient rule. Okay, can you try to use quotient rule and get the answer? So remember this. Okay, I give you 2 minutes. I hope you still remember your quotient rule. Yeah. V u prime must go by this order. I cannot exchange the order. Some of you, you are at the border. I just sent in your mid-semester, first semester result, your 3 SAT. Okay, so if you want to pass your test, you make sure, if you are at the D or D plus, make sure these 3 SAT you pass. You understand?
Miss, you send via Gmail.
No. I send it. No, after college will send the result to you.
Is it already out?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so there's a chance for you to pass. Those who get D. Okay, so make sure this SAT you get at least a C plus. You can get a C plus by going through all the questions. Okay, are you done? Silvana, Renard, you have to work extremely hard. Renard, you got the answer? Every time I call Renard don't answer me.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, have you got the answer for B?
Yeah.
Yeah, is your answer like that? Can you please check? V. Okay, U prime is 1. Take away U You differentiate cos, you got negative sin. Okay, then you divide by cos x, the whole thing squared. So this will be cos x plus x sin x over cos x. So you see, you got another 4 marks. So 7 marks. It's not that difficult to get the mark, correct? Okay, then there will be one part whereby you need to do integration. So under your notes, you should have half for differentiation, half for integration, and a certain section for the simplification of the trigo. Last week, I have told you what are the important formula to write down, am I right? So I hope you have written down. Okay, cos square x minus sin square x. Can it be simplified? Yes? Yeah, Emily, can it be simplified?
Miss, did you call me?
Yeah, I call you. Can it be simplified, Emily?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the simplest form of cos square x minus sin square x? Everyone should have a formula.
X.
Yeah. Huh? Cos?
2 cos x. Cos
No.
2x.
Yeah, it's cos 2x. You are right. So you must have the formula with you so that you won't make mistake. Okay, now, Stephanie.
Yes, miss.
Stephanie, okay, if I integrate cos, what do I get?
Sorry, let me check my notes.
Yeah, you check your notes. Make sure you get ready your one-page handwritten notes already.
When you integrate cos 2x, you get sine 2x, is it?
No, you get sine, you
2x.
integrate cos, you got sine. Then you write down the angle. Then you divide by the coefficient.
All right.
Integrate must divide.
Yep.
Understand? Integrate must divide. Then you plus C.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so shall we do part D? So please remember all that. So question 1, I expect everyone to score full marks. So if question 1, around 15 marks or 12 marks, right? You get 1/4 of the paper already. Or maybe 1/3 of the paper. So there's no reason we should fail our paper, correct? Okay, so for this one, part A, part 1, this one you differentiate by using products rule. Okay, please. You know how to use products rule? Yeah, products rule is like that. Products rule, the order is not important, okay? You can, because it's a plus. V U prime plus U V prime. Okay. I hope you got the answer. Anzu, can you give me the answer? Just read your answer to me.
I got cos x.
Okay, good.
Okay, plus x of negative sine x.
Yeah, you are right. So that means
But,
this
okay.
will be, yeah. So I can
So you don't have to
simplify.
add that together?
No, you can't,
Okay.
because they are unlike terms. Okay, so you got like that.
Okay.
Okay, so this is part 1. So to do part 2, what must we do? Every time when you have this type of question, to do part 2, what must you do? What must you do? Mikia?
Yes.
Mikia? What must I do to solve
If
part 2? Because there's the word hence there. You write that one, you got 1 mark already. So we have to remember this. Every time when you do this question, you have to remember this one. If I integrate dy dx with respect to x, I will get back my y. So this is your y. This is your dy dx. So what should you do? Mikia?
yeah, okay.
So you tell me what should I write here? First step. Integrate.
Integrate the
Is it this one? Is it this one?
yes.
So what is the result? What is the result of this one?
That would be x cos x.
Thank you. So then we try to split this part, correct? Try to split this part and work on it until we get whatever they want us to integrate. Then only we substitute. Am I right?
Right.
Okay, so now can you please try? Everyone in the class? So the first step, you split like that. Okay, this one don't have to integrate. Yeah, so you try to get the integral of this one. Okay? Junjae, what is the integral of cos x?
Sine x.
Correct, you are right. So it's sine x. Okay, then take away. Okay. So I reshuffle. Can I say my integral of x sin x is equal to sin x minus x cos x, correct? So after I have done this, then I can put in the limit. You don't have to copy again. I write this in another color is to let you know you can put in the limit straight away from here. So now you can put in the limit pi by 3 and pi by 2. Okay, the question want exact value, correct? So we have to remember the exact value of all this. Okay, so we write down sin pi by 2. Take away pi by 2 cos pi by 2. Okay. Take away sin pi by 3. Take away pi by 3 cos pi by 3. Do you get the table ready? Okay, so sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Take away sin pi by 3. What is the exact value of sin pi by 3? Root 3 over 2. Thank you. Take away pi by 2. Pi by 3. What is cos pi by 3? It's half. Am I right? So you get the exact value as 1 minus root 3 over 2 plus pi over 6. This is the exact value. See or not? Okay, so your paper is 42 marks. So if you get question 1 perfect, you see, you got almost 1/3 of the paper. Yeah. So can you please work hard for it?
Yes, miss.
First question, we just need to test you on, okay, make sure you remember the double angle, make sure you remember the differentiation and integration of cosine tangent. Cosine, okay, and differentiation of tangent, integration of sec square, and the day I give you all that, you please list it down. Can or not? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is our aim? Our aim for this SAT4 is 100%. 100% what?
A.
Hey, if it's 100%
Pass, pass.
when is if you can get
A
100%
plus.
A for your class, okay, Miss don't promise you. I challenge you. When I see you, everyone, I give you a box of Ferrero Rocher to eat.
Oh, yes, go.
100% A. So far in my life of teaching, all right? Okay, to get, don't want to say 100% A, to get an average of A minus also difficult. Because all of us are different, correct? I don't demand, we don't want to demand for more. There are some very good, there are some not. Okay, but we try our best at this level to pass our test. You see or not? Okay. If you can get A, you really break my record. Everyone got A. Okay, so never mind. So our aim, that is our aim. When I say our aim is something that I cannot do it by myself. You only can do it. Okay, shall we go to question 2? Okay, when we do question 2, you said the depth of the water 3 hours after midnight on the east coast of West Malaysia is given by that. So they give you the depth of the water. So what is the first thing that I must do when I solve this question? Okay, did you take out your graphic calculator? And straight away key in, AD?
No, wait, it's okay.
You see, that is happy. So you straight away take out your graphic calculator and key in. When come to problem solving, yeah, take out your graphic calculator and straight away key in. Make sure your mode is in radian. Okay, now, before we continue, every time when you have a cos and a sin function, all right, what is the first true fact that you and me must know? True fact about cos. Do you write it down?
Is it that no matter what value you put inside, it will
Yeah.
never exceed 1?
Cos of an angle.
Maximum is 1.
Yeah. Maximum is 1. Minimum is -1. Correct? So I must always remember this, because after that it will help me. So in our case here, so in our case here, 4.6 cos 0.1512 t 4.6 highest lowest -4.6. Then I plus 8.4, correct? So you must have this in mind. Yeah. So 8.4 plus 4.6, 8 plus 4 is 12, 13. Am I right? And the lowest, 8.4 minus 4.6. 8.4, okay, sorry. 8.4 minus 4.6. Hey, Mr. is doing, are you doing?
Yep.
So 3.8. So this is very important fact. Okay, so now part A, they say find the depth of the water at midnight. So midnight, T equal to 0, correct? Because they said the depth of the water T hours after midnight. So that means at midnight, T equal to 0. So the depth, so you go to your graphic calculator, straight away you get, you call out your Y1, you put the time at 0. Do you get 13 meter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that true? So the highest is 13 meter. So at night, you got high tide or low tide?
High tide.
We go to some knowledge. High tide. Why at night is high tide? Do you all know the
Moon.
reason?
Gravitational field
Yeah,
of the moon.
because the pull of the moon is stronger, so it pull all the water from other ocean from the other side, whereby it's daytime, to the one that is at night. That's why at night is definitely high tide. Daytime is definitely low tide. Okay, state the lowest depth. So what is the lowest depth from here?
3.8.
3.8. So lowest depth is equal to 3.8. You want to show the working, you can show that this working right from the very beginning. If you don't show the working, I also won't deduct your mark. Okay, sketch the graph to show the depth of the water within a day. So within a day means we have to put how many hours? 24 hours. Start from midnight. Okay, can you please sketch? I told you already when you sketch cos or sin, correct? You should know where is the equilibrium. Yeah, the amplitude is 4.6. The highest is 13. The lowest is 3.8. If you want to put here 0. Correct? Until 24. So can you please sketch? See how the graph look like? So actually for sine or cos, I can get ready the graph ready. So this is your T in hour. Go to window, set 0 to 24. Then do a zoom fit. Oh, that's how you go. You can set your X minimum as 0. Y scale, you put 1 or you put 2, up to you. You go to the graph. Okay, can someone send your sketch to me? On the paper, you want to get these 2 marks, you make sure you give me the correct. You must give me the minimum point. Coordinates of the minimum point. Okay, have you done your sketching?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to call someone to send to the group. If not, I want to make sure everyone will have 2 marks for that. Don't waste your mark. Okay. Nafis? Nafis Hassan. Nafis Hassan, is your name Nafis? Is your father's name Hassan? Or
No.
your father also Nafis?
No.
So, because I got the registration for 6, correct? There's one student is Nafis, comma Nafis.
What?
So definitely that is not you, So because
probably.
okay, never mind.
Miss, if you can share the ID number, I can tell them.
Oh, okay. Nafis, can you send us your sketch in the group chat?
Okay, Miss.
Show your that one. So I'm doing this just to make sure everyone got the mark, okay? So we don't want to waste our mark. Okay. Is that the one? Class? I got like different one.
I think it's missing like another part of it.
I only
Because-
got half of it.
For 24 hours, miss.
Yeah, I put 24 hours.
Mine has two cycles.
Yeah, me too. I
You got
got
2 cycles, so I'm
Yeah.
wrong. So I check my that one, see whether I key in correctly or not. 4.6 cos 0.152t. Yeah, I'm right. Then I do a zoom fit. Okay, let me see. Maybe I'm wrong. I keep getting the same. Did you put radian or not?
Yeah,
Yeah, this is radian.
Mine also radian. How come mine is different?
I don't know.
Hmm?
The coordinates all match up, so
8.6. Okay, 8.6. 4.6 cos 0.15. Do you put 0.15? Did you key this correctly?
key what?
Never mind. I go and see my answer. Oh, how come my calculator give me this? I do
You-
twice already.
Miss, maybe okay, when you did zoom feed, you didn't put the range to 24.
I put 0 to 24. Then I put zoom fit. Ha. Why my calculator give me something else?
Time to get a new one.
Yeah. The answer that you get is correct. It go like that. Right? Then it go up, then it come down a little bit. Am I right? Or it come end at here, 24. 24 is also 13, is it? What happened to my calculator? Okay, never mind. I key in all over again. Plus 4.6 cos 0.512. No wonder. Do you know what I put?
There you go.
I put 215. Wonderful. Zoom fit. Okay. So you see, when you look at a number, it can really kill you. Yeah. So this is the correct one. So the highest and the lowest. So you have to show the coordinate of this point and this point. Okay, minimum. Yep. So did you show? So if you go to my answer there, you can get the answer 12.2713. Okay, and here is 6.18. And here is 3.8. Yeah. And here is 24.13, I think. Oh, no, 24 is 12.82. Yeah. Okay. Got it? So sorry, you see the number wrongly, everything goes. So find the depth of the water at 8:30 a.m. Okay, A. Oh, this is B, this is C. Okay. C, so we got the C already, so D. Okay, find the depth of the water at 8:30 a.m. So 8:30 a.m. What is the value for T? What is the value for T? Yeah, Ibin? Ibin?
Sorry, Miss, my mic wasn't working.
Yeah, 8:30.
8:30.
So if 8:30, what is the T? What is the value for T at 8:30? Can you tell me what is the value for T at 8:30?
Is it by using the graph?
No, I know I have to know T first. If not, I won't be able to find the depth. I need to know the time. Can I put like that? Can I put like that in?
Yes.
Huh?
8.5.
Is it 8.5? Is T 8.5?
No.
Why not? Okay, 12 a.m. T equal to 0. This is midnight.
Yes.
So if 1 a.m. T equal to
1.
1. So 8:30 a.m. T equal to what?
8.5.
Yeah, 8.5.
Yes.
So you look for depth 8.5.
Oh yeah, I got it, Miss. 6.
8.5.
Yes.
So what do you get? What is depth 8.5?
6.7778.
Yeah. So the depth is 6.97786. Am I right?
What?
No,
No,
just
no.
6.77.
8 point. Okay, my formula. What? Don't be so loud. So 8.4 is 8.4. I type in 8.6. Okay, Wei Shen. So today I'm not in a good shape. So sometimes, when we go for exam, correct, we also have to pray that we are in good shape. Yeah, so 6.7786. Okay, so it's approximately 6.78 meter. So then the question say, okay, so you got the depth, you got 1 mark. So is the tide rising or falling at this time? This is 6, correct? 8 is around here, correct? So is the tide rising or falling at this time? They ask you to explain using calculus. So you want to get 2 marks for this part. What you need to do? They say explain using calculus. Suggestion? Ethan?
Do we differentiate the formula and then see whether it's positive or negative?
Yeah, you are right. So you see, they say explain using calculus. That means if you say based on the graph, no. You have to explain using calculus, means you have to get your d prime t. So your d prime t is 4.6. You differentiate cos, you get negative sin. Write down the angle. Then differentiate the angle. Yep. So now you put in d prime 8.5. Okay, so you use your calculator and get the answer. So this one you get 1 mark. You differentiate AD. Then you can use your GC by using math or F and derive. Then you can put in the thing. So you can put in X. Yeah, then you call out your Y1. Then you put your X as 8.5. What do you get? I hope I got the right number. Do you get this number?
Yeah.
No?
I'm so scared now that I got meter per hour, okay? So you get positive, correct? So therefore, you conclude, okay? The tide is rising. Okay, at this time. Can or not? Hello? Are you okay?
Yeah, all good.
All good, So try to gain as many marks as you can. The test can't run away from all this. Okay, now let's go to question 3. Okay, question 3 is the velocity. Okay, this is one of the questions from your textbook. They show that Vt is 1 minus sin 2x. So what must I do with this? If you are not very good in expanding, what you can do, you can write this in your notes. This is sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x plus cos square x. So all this step is a must to write down. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Okay, so you see, you get 2 marks. How you get your 2 marks? You got write this one, you get 1 mark. You write this one, you get 1 mark. Answer is shown already. So I will not give mark for that. Are you okay? So for short question, you must know what to write. Yeah. You cannot straight away say this is equal to this. So you didn't show your working, no mark will be given. Okay, now, then they ask you to sketch the graph for the first 2 pi. So that means, yeah, Take out your calculator and start to sketch. I believe this time round you will be able to use your graphic calculator much better. Am I right? Okay, do you get your graph?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure this time round, make sure I give you correctly, okay? 1 minus sin 2x, okay. 0 to 2 pi. Zoom fit. Is the graph go like that?
Below the axis.
Below ah?
It's well, parts of it are below the x-axis.
Yeah, me?
Wait, is it my turn?
I don't think so. Lor.
I got the same graph with yours, Mr.
Oh, wait.
Oh wait, no, yeah, it's my bad,
Sin 2x.
That was my bad.
What is your highest? How come my highest can go 5? One
My
minus
highest is 2.
highest is 2, but my calculator show me highest is 5. Something very wrong with my calculator today. Very scary. Why minimum 5? Why maximum 1? Okay, I think I have to do something to my calculator. Second, do you know how to reset your calculator?
Nope.
Okay, if your calculator give you something that is not right, you put second, then press the button plus, then press 7, one, then 2. You reset the whole thing. Second plus 7, 1, 2. I must reset the whole thing. I don't know what happened to my calculator. Today is trying to, okay. So the maximum is 2, the minimum is 0, correct? That's how we go. Am I right? Based on the graph, describe the direction of motion of the object. Okay, the object always moves to the left or to the right. The whole VT graph is above the x-axis. Hello? So the object always moves to the left or to the right?
Right.
Okay, so the evidence, so the VT graph is always above the t-axis. Therefore, it moves to the right. Okay, correct or not? Then they say, state the time when the object is momentarily at rest within the 2 pi. So you have to state this one and this one. So you get it from the graph, you got 2 marks. Understand? Find the exact total distance traveled for the first pi by 6. So they want exact. So if they want exact for part D, I have to integrate 0 to pi by 6, 1 minus sin 2x dx. I can straight away because the whole graph is above the t-axis. Understand? You write down this one correctly, you get 1 mark. Then you integrate correctly. You integrate sin, you get negative cos 2t divided by 2. Okay. Then you sub in and you get the right answer, you got another mark. So if you are not good at calculation, but you know how to integrate, please do all this step properly. So out of the 3 marks, you got 2 marks already. Because we won't give you so many marks on substitution and calculation, because that is not our aim. Our aim is, do you know the meaning? Do you know how to get total distance travel? Use integration, you know, you get 1 mark. You know how to integrate, you get 1 mark. Substitute, 1 mark. Hello? So to gain mark in the exam, you must know what the examiner wants to test you on. You have to know area bounded by the curve. If the whole curve is above the t-axis, then the area bounded by the VT graph represents total distance traveled. You get this right, you get 1 mark. Yeah, this one, important. So you must know how to write down important expression. Okay? Okay, so the last question is the is the geometrical shape. So you have to know something about geometrical shape. Yeah. For this time round, for your SAT, I don't put geometrical shape. I replace this question with something else, whereby I have discussed with you before. The geometrical shape I put into, ask you to find the area bounded by the tangent or the normal and the axis. So you please refer to that where we have discussed that before. Can or not? Okay. So go through your SAT, go through whatever we have discussed last week. So tomorrow I will see you, yeah, for 1 lesson. Tomorrow lecture, I will cancel. I let you study on your own, because that lecture we will replace the following Monday for your test. Can or not?
Yep. Can.
Hello?
Business.
Thursday class still on, so I still have 2 hours with you, whereby I can discuss another 2 practice tests with you. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Can? So this test is not a difficult test, please. Don't frighten yourself. Learn what you should learn, okay? Can or not? Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss.
Ramisa, are you okay?